detect which problem
it has.
yes, it has.
It is gathering information.
Yes.
So
The problem
cable is not checks that
to see if the problem is fixed. Yes. By resolving the problem, and then it will show how if it's yes. Yes, to start.
The one without
so let's go to enable the
Yes, to enable the Wi-Fi.
yes.